Washington. September 5. Former President Donald Trump advisor Peter Navarro, after refusing witness or document Congress investigation of the U.S. 2021 attack, came to court on Tuesday for a hearing on two faults of Kabahat Congress.Capitol. Navarro, a Chinese Shah, who advised the Republican Trump on trade issues and served in the White House COVID-19 mission force, claimed that he was not guilty of charges. After arriving to court, Navarro said that case was related to discrimination of manager and distinction of constitutional forces. "I am the first senior White House consultant accused of this crime," he said. The attack of Democratic leading, which investigates January 6, 2021, wanted ask him for the plan to delay the approved victory of Congress President Joe Biden's election victory in a book. Navarro. In December 2022, committee finally published the findings of his research without having chance to interview Navarro. Earlier this year, Special Advisor Jack Smith accused Trump as a criminal for trying to overthrow the 2020 election defeat after making false claims. Navarro claimed to refuse to express or submit the documents requested by a Congress Celbi, and that Trump called on the privilege of execution, a legal doctrine that protects some White House communications. Former U.S. President Donald Trump, White House Economy Advisor Peter Navarro, on August 30, 2023 at U.S. Regional Court in Washington in order to reject the accusations of Congress, was speaking to journalists after conference before a trial. He could not make Trump testify and produced a letter Trump's lawyer after the indictment claiming that Navarro was the obligation to claim privilege. At a hearing held on August 28, Navarro said that Trump should not testify before the Congress in a telephone conversation that took place 11 days after receiving the court of February 2022. He said he transferred this message to the committee. Amit Mehta, U.S. regional judge, who will chair the hearing, questioned Navarro that Trump could not fully express why he said in call. Ultimately, Navarro rejected request for evidence as evidence during the hearing in which Trump called privilege, and found that he could not provide enough details about essence of Navarro's call. Mehta also found Navarro that he had appear in front of the committee in response to the Celbine, even if he believed that Navarro was immune testifying. Each number of contempt has the potential carry a fine of up to $100,000 as well as at least 30 days and up $100,000. Former Trump advisor Steve Bannon, who abandoned White House long before the January 6 attack, was convicted of insulting charges for challenging a Congress court subpoena before same committee. On July 2022, he was sentenced to 4 months of imprisonment in October, but the sentence remained appeal and was not solved.